How to sell on Facebook Marketplace from business page. So if you want to sell on Facebook Marketplace from a business page, then what you need to do is first you need to just make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can launch your Facebook application. After launching, you can go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and switch to your business page. Once you've switched to your business page, now you can go with the marketplace option. If you don't find the marketplace here, then you can go with the upper right again, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And here you will have your marketplace. Or if you don't find it here also, then you can go with settings, which is on the top right. Now under settings, you can go with the tab bar, tap on manage, or tap on customize the bar option. And from here, you can go with the marketplace and select pin. Once you've pinned, now you can go back and you will have your marketplace option. Refresh your page and tap on the marketplace section. And once you open up your marketplace, if you want to sell something from your business page, then you need to just go with the upper left, which has sell option. And from here, it will take you to create new listing section. Now from here, you can go with the items and you can create a new listing. So you can go with add photos and you can go with title, the price of the item, the category, the condition of the item, the description, and after that, the location. And you will also have listing options. If you want to hide that from your friends, you can go and toggle it on. And you will also have additional options. You can go and adjust it. And after that, you can go with publish, which is on the top right. And after publishing, your product or your item will be listed in the marketplace. That's how you can sell on Facebook Marketplace from a business page. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.